teacher, and welcome back to my channel. And y'all, we have all been bombarded with cargos. They are like everywhere, like cargo. I am and I have a few myself, and I said I was not going to buy any more. This is it. Whatever I have here, this is all I'm buying. So I'm here to talk about how we can transition our cargos into spring looks. Because you know, we had our cargos with our sweaters on, our hoodies, but we're going to transition into the spring, okay? Because we know some of our cargos are kind of heavy, but we want to put some lighter pieces or lighter colors on top to make it have more of a spring-like look. So before we get started, y'all, go ahead. You already know what I'm going to tell you is to like and subscribe to my channel, share my video, hit the notification button, yeah, all that good stuff. So let's get into the video. So first, I have these cargos. I think they're cargos. I mean, they have the big pockets, so I would consider them cargos. These are from Zara, and these pants, I think I got these on clearance. They have the asymmetrical fastening at the waist, as you can see right here. That's a trend that is going on as well. I have these cargos on with my white t-shirt from Zara, this denim jacket that I got from Nordstrom, and it is by TopShop. And I had to pair it with some gym shoes. That's just my thing. That's my go-to. I love gym shoes because as a teacher, I can wear casual and put on some gym shoes with it, and it's a look. Now, I also paired this same look with some heels, and the heels have a little studding on them. This look can transition into many different looks. You can put on some boots with it, but the main thing is that we're transitioning the cargos into the spring with, you know, with the denim jacket, the white t-shirt, and you have a look, and it's casual and it's cute. My next pair of cargos are from Nastygal. I love these so much. I love this color. I'm looking for me a dark purple shirt to go with this because it'll pair very well with this. So these are, like I said, from Nastygal. And I just did a little simple look because these pants have they have a sheen to them, first of all. And they have a lot of buckles to them, and they're silver. So I didn't want to do too much with the top. So I put on a faux leather shirt, and I did pair them with my Prada dupe loafers, you know, and it's cute, not too much. And again, this is for a more comfortable look. You don't have to wear heels, but you can put heels on. The next pair of cargos are these from Amazon. This is by the brand Matchstick, and you know what, I'm not sure how I like them, but I think they need to be a little more baggier. And I did size up like 2 sizes, but my boot tie is in the way. So I put those cargos on with the purple cardigan sweater that I got from Nastygal. They're all sold out. They're gone. I wanted to put a little pizzazz in there. I put on these hot pink heels from Zara. These shoes are going to be in my Zara haul, so y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all, I love these cargos. These are from Fashion Nova, and I haven't seen anybody with these, but the detailing in the front is so, I love this so much, where it has the darker denim strip right here, and then the rest are light wash. These are a little big. I did get these in a 15. I should have got a 13, but that's okay. They still look cute. And I really love these a lot. These probably are my favorite ones. Y'all see this? These hell balls, and look, I dropped my scarf and I need to go get it. I don't want to get hit by the hell balls. They are big. So with these cargos, I did put on this blazer, and it's like, it's not a bright lime green, but it is lime green, and it's a subtle lime green. And I love this, and I had it on with these green strappy sandals there from Zara, and I love that. It's just different tones of the green and the yellow, or the lime green and the yellow neon green. I think it looks so good together. Y'all, don't be afraid to try things out, because I'm telling y'all, a long time ago, I would never, ever have worn that. ever. No, this blazer is cropped, so in the back it has like a little scalloping of the two flaps. So I think that's so cute, and it's so like springy summer. So like when it's cool outside, you have your arms covered up. You got a little skin showing, but you're not gonna freeze. So you're covered up. And the way this weather has been, y'all, I don't know. Lord Jesus, what's going on? Tell us what you're doing with the weather, because I'm just like tripping. It's like cold. It was humid here yesterday, and then it's cold today. Y'all, I'm gonna insert a video. Y'all see this? These hail balls, and look, I dropped my scarf and I need to go get it. It was raining golf balls. I was like, is my car gonna be dented all over the place? It was so crazy. I don't know. Next, I have some faux leather cargos. Now, I got these from Urban Outfitters. Actually, my daughter got me these for my birthday from Urban Outfitters. You know what? I loved them so much at first, but I don't know. I don't love them now, but they're okay. And they're like an awkward length. And I don't like the length of them because I don't like when you wear heels and the pants are like skimming the top of your foot. I want the pants to be longer. I want my pants to go over the heel, so to speak. So I don't like when it's like right at the ankle or just a little bit skimming the top of your foot. No, I want it to be long, and I want it to cover part of the heel. And these just don't do that. So what I did, y'all, is I put some ponytail holders around the ankle so they can look like they're drawstring or slouchy. Or not slouchy, but gathered at the ankle. I have on this beautiful top that I got from an Instagram boutique, and I met her. She's super sweet. She makes these tops from recycled leather, so it's super creative. It's a huge neck, a cow neck. If you guys are familiar with cow necks on sweaters, well, this is a cow neck leather halter top. I put on the gold heels, kind of give it a little pop. And this is definitely a concert type outfit. I mean, like, you're a rock star in this outfit. So find those pieces that you have in your closet that you can make things like stand out, that statement piece, and you good to go. We can still kind of get away with wearing faux leather. I mean, we're on the cusp. We can get away with it. But when it starts warming up, y'all, some people may wear it. If that's what you like, I love it. But this humidity here, I cannot wear faux leather. I cannot wear faux leather in the summer. No, not doing it. I have on these cargos, and they're from Fashion Nova as well. And I have it on with this faux leather blazer from Mango, which I am in love with this blazer. It is so buttery soft, y'all. I'm in love with this blazer. The cargos are the heaviest ones that I have. Pairing them with a lighter color top, it balances it out, and you won't look so winterish because you have a lighter top and a darker bottom. Again, the weather is crazy, so we can kind of do a little bit more jackets and stuff still because it's cool outside. But as you can see in the cutaway, these are super cute. A lot of people have them. Who cares though? When you wear them, they look good on you. You style them how you want to style. Everything is not gonna look the same on everybody. So hey, you buy them and you personalize them yourself. I hope that this was helpful. If you own cargos and you're just trying to figure out how to wear them, from the winter to the springtime, remember wearing lighter tops because they're darker as well. And yeah, enjoy your clothes. Wear them until it's too hot. Stay tuned for my Zara haul coming up. My shipment is coming in pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.